Welcome to this dynamic web presentation. We will be looking at the product catalog in this presentation. So what will happen is that we will create a new shop and then we will add a product group and some products to the shop. And after that, we'll set up a page with the product catalog and another page containing the cart so we can see what we have added to the cart. So let's just get to it. We'll start out by creating a new shop, and this happens from the settings where we'll go to the e-commerce and product catalog. Clicking the shops, you'll see that we have 3 shops already in this Rapido setup that we have right here. But I'll just add a new shop right here. And here at the next window, I'll give it a name, and I'll just give it the name Retro because I will be adding some retro products. So for this purpose, I will add the language English. So here I kind of set up which, by default, which languages should be available for this very shop that I have right here, but I'll just add English and nothing else. I'll go back to the top and I'll save and close it. Now going to the e-commerce, you'll see that here I have all the products, and I don't have my retro shop, and that's because it has sustained the page. So I just need to double click to reload it. And then when I get here, you'll see that I have my retro. So I can select it and then I can add a new group. And this new group, I'll just call it electronics, capital E, electronics, like this. I'll do no other settings than that. I'll just save and close it. And now you can see I have my group right here. I will add a new product. And for the example we have here today, I will just be adding a few products, 6 products in total. So I all kind of have them pre-cooked. So I have a Simon memory game. I will call it Retro 01. It will have the cost of 10 and a stock level of 10. And I'll just switch to my text right here. So I'll just have a teaser text as well that I will paste into it. So it will look like this. So I'll save and close. And when I save and close it, you can see I get it in my list right here. And with a little bit of magic, you'll see that I now have my 6 products in place. So the next thing I'd like to do, I'd like to present my products in the product catalog at the front end. So I'll just go to my contents and I will add a new page. A blank page, and I'll just call it products, and I'll OK this. And then I need a paragraph to which I can attach my product catalog. I'll just call it products as well, and I'll OK. Now I can click this app right here and I get a list of apps that can be attached to a paragraph. And in this particular situation, I like to add the product catalog, which is right here. I can choose between all top groups or just, and then include subgroups. And here I can choose the shops, but I'll just select groups. I'll not be using the index right now. I'll just have product groups and it will read directly from the database. So I'll just add and it will show me my shops. I'll just select my electronics, which I just created and added products to. I will have to choose a proper template. You may see that it's marked by red, indicating that I have currently selected a template that doesn't exist. So I'll just select one that does exist. I don't have a list feed, so I'll just ignore that and I'll remove these as well. They're just confusing. So the 2 important things here are the product details and the product list template. So with this, I'll not set any other settings than this, and I'll just save and close it. And now I can show the page, and now you'll see that it has all of my 6 products right here. You may also notice that I have pictures right here, so that's a bit pre-cooked as well. But something I'd like to show is the thing, if we go back to the back end and we go to the products, you can see that right here in the files archive, when I go down to my e-commerce products where I have all the pictures, I also have my pictures of my retro products. And you may notice the file names Retro 01, 02, and so forth very finely corresponds with the product numbers I have on the products right here. So if the product numbers match the file name, it will retrieve the pictures automatically. So that's a very nice way to go, obviously. Now I could add my cache or data bank to the database, or sorry, to the cart, but I can't see it anywhere because I don't have a cart page. So I'll just add one, and the procedure is the same as with the product. So I'll create a new page. give it a name like this. Okay. Once again, add a paragraph. And I'll go to my apps, and I have my shopping cart right here. And it already has some default steps right here, so you can remove some of them, but notice that the checkout is mandatory and cannot be removed. So I'll just set the proper template. So this is the show cart, so I will okay that. And then I have the information page where you put your user settings to where it should be shipped and stuff like that. I'll okay this, and then we have a receipt at the end right here. Okay. I'll not get into details of these settings, read more about it at the doc site. So I'll just save and close this. And if I show my page, you'll notice that it now has the cashier data bank that I put into the cart. It has the price of 60 when the quantity is 1. So let's just play a bit with that. I'll take you to the back end again, and we will go to the product catalog, and I will find my cashier data bank. So now I can go to my prices, our price matrix right here. I'll add a new row, and then I'll say that if the quantity is 10, then the price will go from 60 to 50. So I'll just put in the quantity of 10. There are a bunch of other settings you can set right here that will narrow down to who this will apply. But I'll just keep it simple and say that the price drops from 60 to 50 if the quantity is 10. So I'll okay this one. I'll save and close. I can go back to the cart, and if I just click it a couple of times, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now you'll see that 10 times 50 is 500, and it says 501 right here because there's a delivery fee of €1, but that doesn't display at the order lines. That's a settings thing. So that's how that works. So setting up is quite easy. Add your products, create a page for the cart and a page for the products, and you're good to go. That was the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching.